Hello boys and girls, today we will be learning how to subtract two-digit numbers. Before we start, make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil. This will be different than what we have been doing in class because this time we will need to decompose the tens to get more ones in the problem. Let's review some vocabulary before we get started. Okay, point to the number in the tens place. Good. This is the number in the tens place. Now, point to the number in the ones place. Awesome. This is the number in the ones place. All right, now we are ready to subtract. Here's our first problem, 43 minus 27. Just watch as I model this problem for you. First, we need to look at the ones place at the top number. In this case, that would be 3. I do not have enough ones to solve 3 minus 7 in the ones place. Think about it like you have 3 apples and you have to take away 7. You just can't do that. So what do we do now? We decompose the tens. Let's define this in your notes. Decompose means to break apart a number. In this case, we are decomposing or breaking apart one of our tens into 10 ones so that we have enough ones to subtract in the ones place. So, I'm going to cross out the 4 tens. I'm going to take 1 10 away. So I'm breaking my 10 into 10 ones, and I bring those over to the ones place. Since I already have 3 ones, I would add 10 plus 3, and that would be 13. Now my problem is ready, and I can subtract as I normally would. So again, I crossed out the 4 in the tens place so that I could take a 10 away and decompose it or break it apart into its 10 ones. I move those 10 ones over into the ones place, so now instead of 3 ones, I have 13 ones. Let's subtract. 13 minus 7 is 6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer to our problem, 43 minus 27, is 16. And there you have it. That's how you subtract if you need to decompose the tens to get more ones. Let's try one together. Get your pencil ready. This problem down in your notes. 32 minus 17. Make sure you write it up and down or vertically, like I have it here. Remember, first we look at the ones place. Do you have enough on the top to subtract the bottom number? So it would be 2 minus 7. If you said no, then you are correct. We don't have enough on the top to subtract 7. So what do we need to do? That's right, we need to decompose a 10. So I'm going to cross out my 3 tens and make that 2 tens. I am breaking that 10 or decomposing it into 10 ones. I'm going to bring those 10 ones over to the ones place, and instead of 2 ones, now I'll have 12 ones because my 10 ones plus my 2 ones is 12. And now we are ready to subtract. So 12 minus 7, that's right, that should be 5. And 2 minus 1, and that should be 1. So 32 minus 17 is 15. You did it. For this next problem, I'm going to give you a few minutes to solve it on your own. You're going to use your notes to help you, and we'll go over it together when you're done. Here's the problem. Write it down, 56 minus 38. Pause the video and solve it. When you are ready, hit play and I will go over it with you. Let's see how you did. If I cross out, well, first I need to look at my ones. Can I do 6 minus 8? No, so I need to decompose my 10. So I'm going to cross out my 5 tens. I'm going to make it 4 tens. I'm going to use that 10 and decompose it or break it apart into 10 ones. When I do that, I get 10 ones plus my 6 ones that are already there, and that would be 16 ones. Take a second and make sure that you broke down the problem like that. If you did this, you were ready to subtract. So I look in my ones place, 16 minus 8 is 8. And then in my tens place, 4 minus 3 is 1. Did you get the same answer? If you did, that's great. You should keep watching for the final problem. If you did not, don't worry. Go back to the beginning of the video and listen to it again before moving on to the final problem. All right, this time I want you to solve the problem in your notes and then bring it to class so I can check your understanding. After you solve the problem, also write a question you still have about subtracting with two-digit numbers. I can't wait to see what you learned about subtracting.